Hi there, my name is Sophia Quinoa, and today I'm going to be showing you my completed course project. First, you start by typing in the search sophiequinoa.com. Enter. Now, I was already logged in, but when you first come into the website, you are prompted with this welcome guest homepage, and here you're able to click please log in. From here, you can either choose to sign up, or if you already have an account, you can sign in as well. I already have an account, so I'm going to continue. Once it loads, it'll take you to this homepage saying welcome and the user's name. Here you have 4 options to choose from. Logout, which will take you back to the user login or sign up. You can go to profile, and here's the profile page. And then once you click home, from here, you can go to the stories page. And from here, you're able to like or dislike stories based on what you think. And here you can click read more, and it will take you to the story you want to see. Now, if we go back, there's also an admin view. Here in admin view, you're able to look at the stories here if you click the read more. And then you can move back and just click delete, and it will delete the story from the stories tab. And once we go back home, we can log out, and that's the end. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.